as you can see, we got a package. Soul Squad, we got a package. A very anticipated package. What's up, YouTube? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy GQ Soul. You already know I'm back with another video. It's been a while since I've been back with another video. Only because I needed this right here. Am I gonna put this in the title?
Nah.
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 Don't do it. Don't put it in the title. That's how you get views. Put it in the title. But before we get into this, I need y'all to do 3 things for me. I need y'all to smash that like button. I need y'all to hit that subscribe button. And I need y'all to bang that notification bell so you can always see what I'm putting out. And without further ado, you hear me?
Let me do it.
How'd you do it?
Ouch.
Oh, there you go.
Ouch.
As y'all already know,
Let's go back.
this is my wife, Monique.
It's me. What's up, everybody? I'm coming in to save the day. Cut it up.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't even need this.
Monique, it's a thing. I bring out the box for the foot. Lord have mercy.
What is it? Are you gonna show them now?
Huh?
Are you gonna show them now?
Let me see. Oh. You gonna walk out?
You just made me do that.
Really, Monique, you got on them slipping pants. Alright. What y'all think it is in the comment section, man? Y'all probably already know. Y'all probably already know what it is. But I'm finna hit you with it.
Here you go.
Bow. Ooh. Not a MacBook rookie. You know what I'm talking about? MacBook Pro. Ain't no peel back action on this one. Slide out. Oh yeah. See that though? MacBook Pro. She's talking about we don't need the handy dandy box, but yes we do. Give me a little some of that. Ooh, hold on, let me let y'all see that again. I might have da face. Ain't nothing on the inside of the box. You got your MacBook Pro. Man, got that touch bar. I don't know if I'm gonna be using that, but I got it. And then you got this. It come like that. Got your pull tab. Oh, I do get to do some peel back. Peel back. Yes. Peel back. Ooh. Yeah. Little pull out. You got your AC adapter. Oh, no. USB-C power adapter. 87 watt. And you got your USB-C cord. And with this MacBook, there are no USB ports, only USB-C ports. You got 4 of them. And then you got your what's that? Your headphone jack. Headphone port. Put that baby down right there. And so I had to get a USB-C to USB adapter, which was 19 bucks. Apple always make it. And that's about it. You got that's what's in your box. That's what it come with. I purchased Final Cut Pro. I guess it just come on now, hopefully. Yeah, that thing come with a. Ooh, let's see. Boom. I'ma just let y'all see it when I'm done setting it up.
English as the main language.
Yes, goodness. Yeah. So far I'm happy. I'm really happy. Everything is so smooth on this thing, man. It's so fast. I'm really loving this purchase right now. If you want to chop it up, just ask me any questions in the comment section. I'll let you know what I feel about the computer. Still just going through it. Just wanted to let y'all see that, you know what I'm saying. I got me a new computer, and videos will be coming shortly, super shortly, especially since I got that dinosaur up out this crib, man. So make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It's your boy GQ Soul. I see y'all in the next video.